welcome back to my channel. I'm Sally and I run Didsbury Art Studio. So in today's video we're going to be doing shibori. We're going to be doing two methods. The first one is doing a stitch resist. So I've designed a pattern I'm going to sew into, actually it's a tea towel, but 100% cotton fabric, which works best when you're dyeing on it. And secondly, we're going to do a bullseye on another tea towel, but I'm going to use some cable ties and just explore whether that creates a better design than the elastic. So let's get into it. First. So, and then we're going to dump this one. dusted, I am very happy with today's outcomes. Both tea towels came out really well, really vibrant, strong colours, and the design really has a good contrast between the white patterns and the indigo dye, so really happy with that. Do let me know if you have a go at this project, and if you do, write down in the comments that you have, and maybe you could send me a picture of what you have made. That would be super. So I hope you have a good week, guys, and just to say, if you're new to me and I'm new to you, then please do subscribe today and hit the notification button, write a comment and give us a like if you like this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!